got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Patrick on the bottom, Hayden on top.
Now we're back to really tiny cards.
Shifted the cameras forward.
Yeah. Galactus, Howard the Duck, Dr. Octopus, Winter Soldier, Thing, Daredevil and Kingpin, Old Man Logan, Hank Pym, and Black Panther. Juggernaut, Blob, Agent Venom. We've got, that's Mira? No, Gamora. Why does, Mira's like a completely different universe. This is great. Midnight Suns. Lita. War Machine. Ghost Rider. Arno Stark, Iron Man 2020, and Blackheart. I do have to say, whenever I see that outfit of Gamora, my brain gets very confused. Because it does look like Mira, even if Mira is DC. Scarlet Witch, Electro, Vision, Invincible Iron Man, Havoc, Mr. Fantastic. Oh, Hank Pym autograph from artist Carlo Pagilian. That is very cool. It's not a giant auto, but it is a regular sized cool auto. Firestar, Legion, and Spider-Woman. Beast, Professor X, Human Torch, The Amazing Spider-Man, Annihilus, Danny Moonstar, Magneto, number 2, 499, Hammerhead, Wolverine, and Red Guardian. Ballista, Adam Warlock, X-Men, James Rhodes, Drax the Destroyer, Professor X, number 2799, Iconic covers Thor, Miles Morales, James Rhodes, and Black Cat. Red Skull, Doctor Strange, Black Widow, The Avengers, Hammerhead, Charles Xavier, Drax the Destroyer, number 2799, Bullseye, Null, and Emma Frost. Grandmaster, Thor, Beta Ray Bill, Daredevil, Cable, Sabretooth. We have Platinum Duos, Silver Surfer, and Galactus, Hercules, Magneto, and Midnight Suns. Mole Man, Moon Knight, Crossbones, Groot, Miles Morales, Mr. Fantastic, iconic covers, Korvac, Hobgoblin, and Taskmaster. Storm, Danny Moonstar, Ego the Living Planet, ooh, Avenging Spider-Man, Miss Marvel, Captain Marvel, oh my goodness, my brain is not with it today. Mephisto, Thing, Captain America, number 2499, Charles Xavier, Jackal, and Typhoid Mary. Wolverine, Silver Surfer, Abomination. Ooh, let's go. Black Cat, Red Skull, Hulk, number 2199, Night Thrasher, Miss Marvel, and Beast.